We're going to move on. Next up, please make a round of applause from Moderan, and it's Kristi Hakkaja. Please, Kristi.
Hi everyone, pleasure to be here again for this year, and I'm here to tell you about Moderan. So Moderan software is quickly becoming the new standard for lease management in commercial real estate. As we all know, the current standard so far still is Excel, which is used by 65% of commercial properties managers and owners. And what we are trying to do is to make a software that's as easy to use as Excel, but has all the powerful advantages. So how we do this is by focusing on what are the core competencies that each property owner and manager needs to cover. So first, you need an overview of your properties and spaces. Secondly, you need a really flexible and extensive rental table, and then you want to automate your utilities calculation. So by focusing on these things, we make it easy now for any professional in the industry to use. I'm not meaning like car salesman, but if you are a real estate industry professional, it's easy for you. So for example, you can immediately see what are my vacant spaces in my portfolio, nicely highlighted in yellow here for you. Now, what our focus in Moderan is to help property owners and managers earn more property revenue and increase the asset value. So we've learned together with our customers that there are three key things that you need to achieve. First, you absolutely need to get your deadlines under control. This is the prime reason why property owners are bleeding money at the moment. Secondly, you need to stop wasting your team's valuable time on assembling data from different files and Excels, and generating the analytics. And third of all, because in the process of this automation, we standardize your data, this also means we improve your processes and help you achieve efficiencies there. So for example, here's a snapshot of the analytics we provide you. At any property you have in commercial spaces, you would typically have different types of spaces. So we provide you automatically information about what is the share of each type of space, but more importantly, what is the average price per square meter for different types of spaces, because as we all know, retail spaces and warehouse spaces are rented at completely different rates. So you need deeper analytics, and this is all available with just 1-2 clicks. Now, the advantage that we provide you is really, as we like to say, we're just one step up from Excel. We do have the flexibilities of Excel included in there, but we do provide the advantages of a software system, meaning that we securitize your data, we make sure that nothing gets lost, and so on. And also, because of our user-based pricing, it's easy to get started with using just one property and then grow together with your portfolio. Furthermore, we integrate with your existing solutions. You don't need to change your accounting system. We integrate with your accounting system, with your facility management provider, and other software solutions. So because we're focused on this specific industry, we really combine the best of both worlds. It is professional and easy to use. Now, I know it's hard to trust us guys on the stage, but we do believe you trust your colleagues. So this is why we bring you the recognitions from industry leaders like Expo Real, recognitions, and a selection of our customers. And I'm very delighted to see several of you in the audience here today as well. So do talk to your colleagues, ask them for feedback, and more importantly, come talk to us, either here or just reach out to us after the event. Thank you.
Thank you, Kristi. Now, do we have questions to Kristi? Or we go in the same flow? Okay, Kristi, question to you. I think two main things that everybody is looking for, more profit money and more time. Have you done any kind of measurements when it comes to time saving? I don't know even to what to compare.
This is always the trickiest part to assess, because I think the biggest single item that loses everybody time when they use Excel, for example, is that if somebody accidentally has made a mistake in the Excel file, then first it takes you a while until you discover it. Once you discover it, you try to figure out when did it come in, and the third step is that what was the right value, and this can take forever. So this is always very difficult to measure. But there are some reports that we've discussed with customers are saying that are saving them 2 or 4 hours every month that they're making otherwise. So and this is for each report. So these are always tricky questions to measure, but there's definitely time saving in there.
Okay. Who are the main people you have met with, or with whom, I mean, profession-wise? Who is it management? Is it only financial? Is it also bookkeeping a little bit? Who are the people you are targeting the most?
The customers we're talking to is landlord team managers, partners, but also leasing managers who are actually working day to day with the leases, and then who's responsible for the utility cost calculations as well. But generally, we work a lot with family offices, professional property managers, and also co-working spaces.
Okay. And looking by the valuation, did you have said, thanks through your partners, you are almost like a unicorn? So,
hope so. One day.
One day. But Kristi, please do not go too far away. Gert would like to also hand you something over. A little gift from the organizers. Guys and ladies, once again, a round of applause. Kristi Hakkaja.